Welcome to Smart HR. Today, we'll be discussing how to craft a compelling cover letter for an accountant position. A well-structured cover letter allows you to present your skills, accomplishments, and experiences that go beyond your resume and shows why you're the best fit for the role. Let's dive into the step-by-step process and a sample cover letter example that you can use as inspiration. Step 1. Research the company. Start by researching the company you're applying to. Understanding the company's values, culture, and the person receiving your application can help tailor your cover letter to show why you're interested in working with them. Step 2. Include your contact information. At the beginning, include your full name, phone number, email address, and location. Follow it with the date. This makes it easier for the employer to contact you. Step 3. Greet your recipient. Use a formal greeting, such as Dear Hiring Manager or Dear Hiring Manager's name, if you know it. Addressing your letter to a person adds a personal touch. Step 4. Introduce yourself. Professionally. In your first paragraph, mention the role you're applying for, why you're interested, and a brief introduction to your relevant experience or skills. Step 5. Highlight your qualifications and skills. Use the second paragraph to detail your relevant skills, qualifications, and achievements. Mention any major accomplishments in previous roles and use metrics wherever possible. Step 6. Explain why you want to join the company. Explain your enthusiasm for the position and why you're excited about working for this company. Briefly highlight how your background makes you a strong candidate. Step 7. Close the letter. Professionally. In your closing paragraph, thank the hiring manager for their time, express your eagerness for the opportunity, and invite further discussion. Cover letter example. Showcase. Let's take a look at an example cover letter for an accountant role to give you a clearer idea of how it all comes together. Dear Hiring Manager, I am writing to express my interest in the accountant position at Biley & Diley accounting firm. I am a qualified CPA with 6 years of public accounting experience and a background in finance and accounting. My experience includes managing clients from various countries and adapting to different time zones and accounting standards. I believe my skills align well with the requirements of your role. My commitment to data accuracy, along with my proactive learning approach, have enabled me to reduce accounting discrepancies by 23% in my previous role. Additionally, my fluency in Italian and German has been advantageous when working with European clients. Thank you for your time and consideration. I look forward to the possibility of discussing how my experience and skills can benefit your firm. For more information, please refer to my attached resume. Sincerely, your name. A great cover letter can set you apart from other candidates, especially when applying for competitive positions like an accountant. Use this guide and example to help structure your own cover letter. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more career tips on Smart HR.